Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Okay guys, what's a bear market? Are we in a bear market? Well, I'm going to go through some information today and explain to you all what a bear market is and what impact it is having on the crypto market and the traditional finance markets. All right, before I get started, remember, I am not a financial advisor. I am an educator. If you haven't already, please click on like, subscribe, and share, because sharing is caring. All right, so first, let me say this. I'm in a great mood. Today is Mother's Day. I've been blessed to be a mother of two fantastic children. I have a son and a daughter and a fantastic son-in-law. So today is just a joyous day. It's a blessing just to be a parent, and it's just very honorable. So I hope that everyone has had a chance to be with their loved ones and their significant other ones, and I hope you've been celebrated today. Now, so what is going on with the market? Are we in a bear market? Yes. The simple answer is yes, we are. We are in, but not only crypto is in a bear market, we also know that the traditional market is in a bear market. Google is down, Amazon is down, all the traditional stocks, Netflix is down, way down. So today, I'm going to go ahead and explain to you all about a lot of different things in bear markets. But first, let's take a look at the crypto market, because you know that I'm heavily invested in crypto, and you probably are too. First, I'm going to say this, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not selling anything that I've already sold. If I haven't already sold it, I'm not selling. And remember, I made the video, you don't lose anything until you sell. You still own what the number of shares or tokens that you had prior to the decline or the decrease in the price of a token, a crypto, or a stock. So I'm going to take a quick look at the current market. I mean, it's like the entire crypto market is only 1.66 trillion. So that's a huge decline. Bitcoin still represents about 39% of the entire market. Ethereum represents about 18%. And it's down. It's down. The last 7 days, Bitcoin is down about 9%. Ethereum is down about 7%. BNB is down. Solana is down 10%. Terra down 15%. They're down. Tron is up 39%. Near Protocol is up 7%. Chronos is down 26%. Oh my goodness. So they're down. VeChain is down just slightly. But here's the deal, guys. For me, these are opportunities. Remember, I've told you, and I've made lots of videos explaining the technology, the team, and the tokenomics behind a lot of the tokens that I own. For me, it's just an opportunity, okay? One thing I'm going to give you an example of. For example, Chainlink. Chainlink is an oracle. Chainlink is $10.20 per coin. I do own Chainlink. The reason that I believe in Chainlink is the oracle that is partnered with all DEXs, all layer 1 protocols. Chainlink is connected to all of the blockchain companies. Now, blockchain is the technology of the future. Technology will continue to improve. That's why I believe heavily in blockchain and the blockchain projects. Blockchains, however, cannot read information from the real world. So they need an oracle that would take information from the real world and make it accessible to the blockchain so that they can do different functions. And that's why I believe in Chainlink. So what I'm going to do, I've been wanting some more Chainlink. I'm going to accumulate Chainlink. And so the projects that I believe in, I'm just going to buy them at a discount. I'm not going to buy them all at once. I'm just going to buy a small amount, probably every day, every week, until this market flattens out, okay? So that's all I'm going to say about the market. So, you know, remember, you do what you want with your money. I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing with my money and my investments. But right now, I'm not selling anything because I haven't lost a dime until I sell for a loss. I haven't lost a dime. Now, it might be tough, but I don't look at my accounts every day. And I've told you, enjoy your life. Go to the gym. Spend time with friends and families. Do a hobby. Do something you like. This is an investment. Just like your 401k, your 403b, wherever else you have investments, you don't look at it every day. Right? So you just do something else. Do something else. All right. So let's talk about bear markets. Okay. First, I'm going to talk to you and explain to you about the history of bear markets. These are commonplace. Bear markets are going to come and go. You're going to have a bear market when the market decreases significantly. Anytime the market declines by 20% of the recent highs, that is called a bear market. When the market increases by 20%, that's typically a bull market. So, investors who endure a bear market can see significant returns. All the financial experts will tell you people get rich during bear markets. Why? Because you're buying your tokens or shares at a significant decrease than you would have bought them during other times. Even though it's tough to buy now, when you see there's blood in the street, it looks real red. Now is when I'm buying. I am buying. I am scraping up every dime to accumulate. That's what I'm doing. And investors who endure a bear market can see significant returns. All right. Bear markets are periods when the stock market declines by 20% or more from a recent peak. And we've definitely had that. Despite bear markets, the stock market has been up more than it's been down. So this may feel icky, it may make you feel uncomfortable, but history shows us that the stock market has been up more than it's been down. From 1950 through 2020, the S&P 500 was up 53.7% of days and only down 46.3% of days. And the percentage of positive days exceeded negative days in every decade. So this is what you know now. This too shall pass. If you can just hang on like I'm going to hang in, I'm not selling for a loss. I am not. I'm going to endure this bear market. I'm going to continue to accumulate. And when I emerge from this bear market, I know that I'm going to be a multi-crypto millionaire. That's my plans. That's my plans for me. Some key takeaways in this article, and I'm going to link this article in the description in case you want to read it on your own. Bear markets occur when a market index tracks a market decline of 20%. Bear markets tend to recover and increase to higher levels, offering higher returns for those who endured them. Bear markets tend to recover and to increase to higher levels. Bear market recoveries generally provide the most returns on time in the market. So bear market recoveries generally provide the most returns. And the article also says you shouldn't cut your contributions to your retirement accounts during the bear market. So that's why I'm telling you, I'm not selling. Some of y'all are probably wondering, what causes a bear market? The prices of stocks and other securities and cryptos are influenced by a range of factors. Right now, and I'm going to give you a video on the FOMC and how the government is increasing interest rates and how that's having a significant increase on the decrease of all securities, cryptos, traditional stocks, everything right now. A stock price will tend to fall when investors lose faith in its performance. I haven't lost faith in the performance of my crypto. Actually, crypto is just getting better. Right now, all of the developers are working on these crypto projects. They're working on the technology of the future. And believe me, it's going to all come together at once and they're going to shoot back up. So I feel good about my projects. Now, some of these projects in the traditional stock market, some of their performance has declined. Like Netflix is up with a lot of competition with other streaming services. So a stock price will tend to fall when investors lose faith in its performance, whether due to the stock or backing company or to the strength of the economy at large. Investors may sell their securities to avoid losses. And if this happens on a large scale, it causes a wave of selling, which in turn causes the price to continue to drop. So what happens, people get panicked. People open up their accounts and they say, oh my goodness, it's low. And so they panic and they sell. And so I don't panic and sell. I am as calm and cool as a cucumber. Let's take a look at some historic market tumbles. And you can see historically, this is the impact that bear markets have had on us. So let's take a look at some historical tumbles. From 2007 to 2009, the market was down 57%, and it took about 1.4 years to recover. So this is not going to be a quick recovery. It's probably going to last about a year. I think we've already been in the bear market. So we probably have about another, I don't know, 8 to 10 months to go, maybe. From 2000 to 2002, it was down 49, and it took over 2.5 years. In 1987, it was down 33%. It took over 101 days. In 1980 to 1982, the market was down 27%, and it took about 1.7 years to recover. So there's some history of some of the market tumbles. Now, here's the good news. Recovering from a bear market, and we will recover. That's why you want to make sure that you have conviction in things that you invest in so you can sustain the bear markets, because it will recover. We won't be in a bear market forever. Bull markets often follow bear markets. These are defined as an increase of 20% or more in stocks. There have been many bull markets since 1930. While bull markets often last for years, a significant portion of the gains typically accrue during the early months of a rally. That's why you can't time the market. I'm not going to sell all of my crypto because I don't know where the bottom is. What if I sell it all today? I'm going to be panicked about getting back in. And you know what happens. As soon as you sell it, it goes up. So I can't time the market. I have different prices, targets that I'm looking for. I'm just going to sit tight and I'm just going to accumulate. All right. So those who flee to cash during bear markets should keep in mind the potential cost of missing the early stages of a market recovery, because you don't know when the recovery is going to begin, which historically have provided the largest percentage of returns per time invested. That's why I'm not selling anything. Investing during a bear market, if you have cash, you may want to consider buying opportunities during a bear market. I just shared with you all, Chainlink is on my radar. Atom is on my radar. I'm going to reaccumulate some more Harmony One, some more Zeal. That's just what I'm going to do. I'm going to increase my positions in Seller Network. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing. And I am all over Ethereum. I am accumulating Ethereum like every day. Every day I'm buying Ethereum because I've been waiting for it to drop under 3,000. Plus, in the traditional markets, I've accumulated quite a bit of Amazon and Google. They are both preparing for a 20-to-1 stock split. Guys, this is how you get rich. You get rich in bear markets. You make money in bull markets, but you get rich in bear markets. If you can have the discipline to buy great projects, and you can hold on to your projects despite the downward volatility, you will be in great shape. And as I make these videos, I'm gonna remind you all when the market runs up. So basically, how does a bear market end? When prices are low, here's what happens. As they are during a bear market, there are a set of investors who will find this to be a good time to buy. As they do, prices will start to rise again and possibly stabilize. The market is always course correcting. You're going to always have corrections in the market, naturally rising and falling due to supply and demand. So there you go. Yes, we are in a crypto bear market. We are in a traditional finance bear market. We're just in a bear market. However, be wise with your investments. This is an opportunity to buy things you've been looking to buy. They're cheap if you believe in the conviction of that project. And that's it. So my name is Ida. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay? Until next time, I am out.